2 मिनट बैठ के बात हो सकती है?
नहीं, जो बोलना है ऐसी बोल।
वैसे तो मेरा नाम तो जानती है, हम्टी शर्मा। कॉलेज में बड़ा पॉपुलर हूँ मैं। लड़कियाँ बोलती है हम्टी तो बड़ा क्यूट है।
अपना इंट्रो खत्म कर और जो बोलना है बोल।
कॉलेज में पार्टी है।
Falls down.
Humpty Sharma was introduced to me around a year back, and the most interesting part about Humpty Sharma is Humpty Sharma, the name Humpty Sharma. So when I read the script, I wanted to figure out that why is this guy named Humpty Sharma? What is the story behind that? And what I went on to discover was a very beautiful love story eventually.
What interested me the most was also, of course, the name Humpty Sharma, which was quite, very unique, and also the fact that there was a filmy love story set in real circumstances. Whenever I look at roles, I feel like there should be something different in the character that I'm trying to portray, and the way Kavya is, the place that she's from, her origin, her need, her want, the storyline. That was something that I'd never heard before or done in any of my films. Shashank pitched it to me was, Alia, it's almost that your favorite love story, filmy love story, becomes your reality. Because it's his little tribute to DDLJ. So that is why I say that the circumstances are filmy, but the way the characters are very real.
हार्ट से क्लीन है ये बंदा, ऐसा चिपड़ इंसान नहीं है। और लड़कियाँ उसे क्यूट तो बुलाती ही बुलाती हैं।
Honestly, what I love most about Humpty is when Humpty and Kavya are together, it's like, it's this different electrifying sort of energy / fun / friendship / love that they have. And that's a very unique, that janam janam ka rishta kind of vibe, but in a very cool and very fun way, not in that cliche. That's why I say that the situations are like
you get Humpty and Kavya in a room, there is bound to be some kind of electricity, some kind of a spark. There's this kind of a love-hate relationship where these two people have. They actually love each other, but they end up fighting and bickering a lot, but they have each other's back. I think Humpty and Kavya do a lot of comedy together.
Yeah, they're
a lot of comedy together.
Yeah. They're pranksters. They're they also think that they're the most intelligent people in the world, so that they feel like they can take over the world and they can do anything that comes by their way. So when they obviously Shashank is the maker, creator behind this, what they do, how they do it. When we would do it, it'd be lots of fun. And what I love most about Humpty is that he's very cute. Of course, Ashutosh Rana also is one of my favorite. I made my debut with him technically, but I didn't do a scene with him. But my father knows him very well, and he would always pull my leg on set. कि हाईवे की एक्ट्रेस हमारी सेट पे है, हाईवे, एंड ही नॉट इवन सीन हाईवे, ही वाज जस्ट डूइंग दैट टू पुल माय लेग।
अरे तुम क्यों दोगे हमें?
अरे प्लीज आप बैठिए, हाईवे की एक्ट्रेस है यहाँ एंड ऑल दैट. सो ही वाज वेरी good energy to have on set, and he was very professional, very great actor. So we actually got to learn.
It was superb working with him because he really plays with his eyes while doing scenes. In fact,
Varun would get scared. He would Alia's eyes.
Because all my scenes, his eyes are literally so big. So all my scenes are like that. He's looking at me and he doesn't blink also. So 2-3 times I also tried to do it and my eyes all water coming out, and then they would accuse me of crying and all. So I was like, dude, this guy has some huge eyes. I was like, but it was fun.
Just come and watch Humpty Sharma Ki Dulhania because Varun's going to get a hit after this.
Please come see Humpty Sharma Ki Dulhania on July 11th. It's a lot of heart, lot of soul, some good performances. Shashank Khetana, director, has worked very, very hard.
It's a full-on entertainment film. It's a filmy love story.
Alia Bhatt is at her best, and she's really put in a very, very good performance, and so have the other characters.